Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring Apple Cash has the exact funds needed, including tax and shipping, because Amazon won't accept Apple Cash directly. Once done, open the Amazon app and sign in. Make sure you have a saved debit card or bank account as a temporary payment method for authorization. You'll use that method only to link an Amazon e-gift card purchase, so keep the card accessible and unlocked. This step moves money into Amazon via a gift card purchase. You now locate an Amazon e-gift card seller that accepts Apple Pay, many third-party retailers, and the Amazon App's gift card section work. Enter the exact amount you need and proceed to checkout. At payment, choose Apple Pay and then explicitly pick Apple Cash as the funding source. Confirm biometric authorization. Once the e-gift card is emailed or saved as a code, copy it. This converts Apple Cash into an Amazon balance. You redeem the e-gift code immediately in Amazon. Go to Account, Gift Cards, redeem, paste the code, and confirm. Your Amazon balance updates right away. Then add the desired item to cart, choose your Amazon balance at checkout, and remove the temporary card if you no longer want it saved. If the code is rejected, check the exact characters, confirm the gift card email sender, and review your Apple Cash transaction for completion. If needed, contact the seller before disputing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.